This 2025 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 28 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, skylight, DVD player, LP detector, awning, leveling jacks, slide-out, air conditioning, smoke detector, external shower, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 28 BHS is 7,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.